Hola! Buenos dias!
It's October
16, Monday.
Monday, 7 a.m. We're leaving Castrojeriz for Fromista, about 25 kilometers away.
It's showering, so we're using our
Kaya,
IKEA raincoat. So have a nice day.
Buen Camino.
Buen Camino. Now we're using headlamps and wearing our raincoats because it's drizzling, so it's still very dark. Buen Camino. That's Bunny. He's wearing a headgear and a raincoat because it's still dark and it's raining. Buen Camino. So we're on top of the mountain. It's a long walk uphill, and now we're stopping here for some video and picture. It's raining hard and it's still dark and hazy and very hazy. Buen Camino. Walking amidst the drizzles and the cool weather. Walking with mild weather makes the kilometers shorter, and walking under the heat of the sun makes the kilometers longer. Walking with a clear mind, looking forward for a beautiful day, and with grateful hearts for all the blessings that we have received and for having walked this Camino. Every day we will cherish forever. Every day as we walk together, as we walk long stretch of kilometers, we will cherish it and keep it in our memories. These are the days that we will treasure, that we have walked the Camino together in our lifetime. Buen Camino! This is the Albergue that doesn't have water and electricity, but you will really have the time to meditate. Buenos dias! This is it. They have the Albergue here. Buenos dias! This is the Albergue, and this is the Albergue here. You can stay here. They have this beautiful long table.
Desde Hong Kong y Pilipinas. Pilipinas, pero vivimos en Hong Kong por 30 años. Caminando Camino de Santiago. ¿Cuántos kilómetros? Pedro?
Look at the beautiful colors of autumn. And the other one, this is a bridge. So nice. Van is over there. Beautiful day. Walking amidst the beautiful forests. The autumn colors, the beautiful forests all lined up together, standing tall with their beauty and their colors. We're having our second breakfast. It's Bunny eating some bocadillo again with ham and some sliced cake. our breakfast, and of course, nice coffee. And all the pilgrims are having their rest and some breakfast. So this is a nice place. So we still have 3 hours walk to Fromista. Yeah, that's video. Hello, Benjamino. My name is Tess.
This is Sion,
Duan.
Sivan, and Tess. We're on the way to Santiago. Right now we're in Albergue.
Okay.
Albergue on the way to Fromista.
Okay. Nice to meet you and see you in the train.
Of course.
Okay, Ben Camino. So Bonnie preparing to walk again after some rest and our second breakfast, and these are all the this is the cafeteria, and these are all the pilgrims having their rest and breakfast. Now on their way, all on our way. We still have around less than 3 hours or more than 3 hours. So Benjamino. Okay, this is the boat. This one you can still ride, but we will be walking. Buenos dias. Hola. Hello. Hola. Buenos dias. So, but we will still be walking.
Sello, 2 euros. Peregrino, 2 euros. Tenemos sello.
¿Cuántos minutos?
¿Cuál?
¿Cuántos minutos?
Walking in this beautiful countryside. Cool weather. So nice to walk. And walk and walk. Such a beautiful day. The weather is conducive to walk today. But it rained earlier, but it's okay now. So, Ben Camino! This is the small bridge. Bunny walking through the small bridge. There's the waterfalls. Waterfalls. My knees are trembling. Hi! Ate, no? My knees are trembling. That's the boat. We're supposed to ride that boat, but we decided not to. You see? We're even ahead of them. Now this is the canal. Wow! My name is Tess.
I'm Bunny, and this is Christy from
Christy
Virginia.
from Virginia. So it's nice walking with you.
We're here in Fromista,
Yeah.
October
16. So,
16. We just arrived.
yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Christy.
Resting today.
Yeah. Okay. Ben Camino. So you start again tomorrow.
I do.
Yeah. Okay. Ben Camino. Okay, this is our accommodation for today here in Fromista. We have two beds and another extra bed. And this is the television, small television. We have a view, which is a roof of the other. It's a roof of the other building. Oh, that's Jesus Christ. And they have nice mirror. Nice, also cute little chandelier, and this is also a little bit of a table. This is our bathroom, cute, and yeah, that's it. Buen camino. Found this restaurant. Seems like first class. Already very hungry after walking for 6 hours. So anything, anywhere we will eat. First class or not class enough, we will just eat. We arrived here in this classy restaurant with our walking attire full of dust, whereas the other guests were really dressed up and they're really well made up, with especially the ladies. A very fine restaurant. We're presented with this menu, and every time we eat, they change the cutlery. This one, before the appetizer, we're given the pre-appetizer, and before the main menu, we were given the pre-main menu, and then before the dessert, we're given the pre-dessert, and then and during the dessert, and then afterwards, they still give us after dessert. So it's really, we're really so amazed with this, with how they presented this fine dining restaurant. But then we were so hungry, so we ate everything. And then there was this very elegant lady who looked at us curiously. But then I smiled back at her, and then she smiled back, and then she was very friendly. And then on our way out, she even said goodbye.